So I need a workbench that's going to go right there to work on some electronics. This is the build of that bench. And here's the plans, including the cut list. Took me about an hour, but the end of day one, got all my cuts made. These are for the frames and the legs, and then for the surfaces. Okay, now I can configure what it's going to look like after it's fastened. Here goes nothing. And here is all of the completed frames ready for assembly. I'm now screwing the legs in with one screw on each side here until I get the thing stood up and make sure it's all level and good. All right, got all the legs assembled and attached to the work surface, and now I'm working on the lower shelf, which I've propped up with a few paint cans, as you can see here. And now I just need to fasten it to the legs and get everything squared up. Alright, so now I'm loosely attaching these legs, and then I'll get them squared up once I put it up on the bench. Assembling the top shelf is a little tricky. That's why I kept all the screws loose, because none of my 2x4s are straight. I'm propping it up with these paint cans here, putting the screw in, checking level, rotating around until I get it perfect. All right, so we've got the top shelf put on now, and that just leaves one thing, which is these backer 2x4s here, which are just going to go in 3 positions: top, bottom, and middle. So you can attach anything back there that you'd like. I'm going to use a whiteboard.